welcome to How Amazing VOD. It's your boy Tane here, back with another video. And today, guys, we're running out here. We're gonna run some errands and stuff, do a few things. So let's get started with today's video. Do a couple things here, just left the house and stuff. So let's get started with the vid right now. Alrighty here, Mom is getting some gas. Holy cow, he's close to our town. Whoa, man. That was nuts. Man, I gotta show Mom this clip, how close she was to our town. Oh my goodness. Just got into Giant Eagle here. We're gonna do some shopping and stuff, get some stuff for home. I guess some stuff now 3 times, but that's what we're doing here. And we're gonna get a few things, so let's do that now. We're checking out if they have the pound cake right here.
They have lemon here.
We don't
I don't like
lemon.
lemon. I like my butter.
Butter's just made on butter.
Right, all butter loaf.
Right. Oh, that's very important. This fresh pound cake is not too fresh. That's how we do to a second.
Of October, yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, October, keep in mind. So, that ain't too good. Well,
What's that, Monday?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's not exactly very fresh, in my opinion.
I know, but fresh as Virginia, I guess. Getting Laffy Taffy here, so.
I like my ropes.
Yeah, Laffy Taffy.
I must have my
And we're out. Did some shopping, got a few things we're gonna need for home. We'll get some more things later when we go to Walmart. Well, that's pretty much good for now. So now we're gonna be heading to Taco Bell. Here we go. Alright, now that that's done, we're gonna be heading to Taco Bell here to get ourselves some food. We're heading into Taco Bell here. About to order some food and get a few things and stuff to eat before we head on out and do some more shopping. And that is a sweet dog. I mean, a really sweet dog. Alright,
What you get with the number 7?
yeah.
You want like soft taco though.
Right. Soft.
Yeah, chicken.
Alright.
Just actually give me 2 number 7s, both chicken with soft taco. And you want lettuce on yours or not?
No.
And no lettuce on either of them.
You don't want to eat?
No, I don't want lettuce either. No, I don't.
Alrighty.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
We're here to go.
We're here.
1 second.
Okay. Drinks, guys.
You want Pepsi or Dr. Pepper?
Dr. Pepper. Unless they have cherry Pepsi, which they don't.
No.
So give me Dr. Pepper. That's what I'd rather have.
Aquafina Berry Breeze, huh? 0 sweeteners.
What are you getting, Mom?
Pepsi.
Oh, you're just getting Pepsi?
Yep.
Going up to get food, guys.
Big K, bring food, Big K. Yay, food.
We got it.
All right.
Yeah, it is kind of hot, but Mom's on fire right now eating
yeah.
that jalapeno sauce. So she had to have jalapeno sauce on my 10 feet right now. So I'm secretly
Don't
with
seem to-
I'm just not saying anything.
Yeah, it don't bother you as much though.
Not as much, but yeah. It is pretty hot. It started out, it barely had any sauce, and I ate a few pieces, and then there's a lot of sauce. It was weird. Alrighty, here, just got out of Taco Bell. Whew, hi, I'm full. And Mom's lit up, so, huh? You lit up?
I'm calming down now.
I'm kinda still going, but not much. Yeah, it is pretty hot, but I enjoy it. You know, it's nice. Mom don't enjoy it as much as I do, but I could eat Taco Bell every day for a while and be fine. Mom, she don't like Taco Bell. Like every so often she loves Taco Bell, but not consistently.
No, it's not like Italian food where I can eat it every day.
Yeah, no. Got my seatbelt on, safety first, guys. So now, That's what's gonna be going on here. Gonna be heading to do some shopping right now. But yeah, that's what we're doing here. We're heading into the Walmart, as you guys know. We gotta stop in the bathroom before we do anything else. And no, it's not just we eat Taco Bell. But that's what's going on here. Just gonna do some shopping, so let's do that. Their pound cake here is October 7th, so that's cool. Yeah, its sell-by date is October 7th, which is 5 days later than the 2nd, in case you guys mathematics are up
Yeah,
to par.
yeah. Well, I would hope that
Oh, man.
those people can calculate such things.
I'm hoping.
If not, time to go back to school.
Yeah. Oh,
Definitely.
any people out there that is dumb enough to not know that, just don't roast it. 2 times. So I'm calling them dumb, and you just said you gotta go back to school. But we're just gonna keep doing our shopping here. Here we go. Just got some milk and some whipped cream. Now we're in the dog food section. That made no sense. Now we're
What's
in.
making no sense?
I said now we're in. You got shot again? Whew. Okay, well Mom just got shot a good one.
Yes, I did.
Did you? And you seen our reaction. Well, you didn't see it, but you heard it, so. Yep. Tossing. Oh, what the? But yeah, that's pretty much what went on. Ah! What is it with this song? Oh my goodness. I don't know, yeah. Just got home here. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.